Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Midco account and service ID so activation ties to the right address. Once done, place the modem near the coax outlet and a vented area. Routers need airflow. Connect coax to the modem, then power it. Lights indicate boot process. Make sure the modem firmware syncs to the network. This can take 5–10 minutes. If using a separate router, keep it off until the modem shows online. That prevents IP conflicts when you move to the next step. Once the modem is online, connect the router WAN port to the modem with Ethernet and power it up. This separates routing from modem functions. You then log into the router UI or app. Use default admin login first, then change it to protect the device. Configure SSID names and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase so devices authenticate securely. Also set DHCP ranges and enable automatic firmware. You finish by activating service via the Midco app or web portal. If activation fails, calling support with your service ID gets you past provisioning blocks. Test speeds on both wired and Wi-Fi devices to verify throughput against your plan. Wired tests isolate Wi-Fi issues. If speeds are poor, power cycle modem and router, check coax connections and remove unnecessary splitters. Low signal levels require a technician. As a key tip, note modem light patterns for support. They speed diagnosis and shorten hold times.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.